How to create faceless videos with AI. In this video, we're going to be talking about NVIDIA AI, and we're going to be talking on how you can create your very own channel where you can have tons and tons of faceless videos that you can create with the ease of just sitting in front of your laptop. Or you're going to want to do is you're going to come over to NVIDIA AI, and if you want to get this full featured AI software for yourself, do make sure to check out the link in the description below, because that will lead you straight to the sign up page where you can get all the plus features for this amazing plan. All right. So to start things off, once you have checked the link down in the description below, you're going to come over to this page. Okay. And it's a pretty simple prompt right in front of you. Okay. Now, what you're going to want to do over here is you're going to come here. Okay. And once you click on the top left, you're going to go over to plugin, where it's going to bring you to voices. All right. Now, once you're in voices, here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to click on add voice, and it's going to give you these instructions. Now, do know this, that if you don't have at least the plus plan, you won't be able to do this. Okay. So if you want to get the plus plan, please do make sure to check the link in the description. You can get it easily through that link. And once you're over here, you're going to click on add voices, and in add voice, it's going to give you the instructions: submit recording of at least 30 seconds, mention I give NVIDIA AI the permission to use my voice in this workspace, pause in between sentences like you normally would, and use high quality recording equipment. Okay, so these are things that you're going to want to keep in mind. So you're going to create a audio recording while keeping these things in mind. Now, I have that audio recording, and what I'm simply going to be doing is I'm going to be adding it like I have over here. And once you've added your audio, you can simply click on use. Okay. So once we've added our audio, we're going to click on use over here, and it's going to add it into the settings. Now what you can do is you can actually create your very own faceless video. Now, faceless videos have tons and tons of niches. Okay. So it's your decision to decide whatever type of niche you want to go with. Okay. So personally, I like the niche of YouTube Shorts, and talking about top 10 things, about anything generally. So I'm going to create a prompt about something like that. And once we've created the prompt, we're going to generate a video, and we're going to see how that looks, and we're going to create another similar video in this same matter. So what's going to happen is that it's going to be your voice without any face in it. Okay. So that is how you're going to be having your faceless video. So let me create a prompt, and let me get right back to you. Now, I've added this prompt: create a top 10 most paid footballers of all time video in which the narrated word is highlighted as yellow in the subtitles. Okay, so this is the prompt that I've given, and it's going to be using my very own voice. So we're simply going to go ahead and click on generate a video. Now, as you can see, it's going to analyze the whole text, and it's basically going to use each prompt, and it's going to find out photos, it's going to find out videos on footballers, it's going to think of what transitions to add, it's going to think of what type of texts to add. And once it's processed all of that, it's going to ask you the main details of the video as well. So what kind of audiences do you want this to be watching? So obviously I'm going to go with football fans. The look and feel, let's go with bright, okay, because bright seems fair. In platform, let's go with YouTube Shorts, okay. Now, once you've done that, you're going to click on continue. And once you click on continue, it's going to ask you to wait. Now, the best part about NVIDIA AI is that you can simply click on notify when ready, and you can go back to doing what you were doing, or you can even create more videos. Okay, and when the previous video is done, it's going to notify you immediately. Okay, that's the best part about using NVIDIA AI. And again, if you want to get yourself affiliated with great AI features like these, do make sure to go ahead and get the plus plan by checking the link in the description below for yourself. Okay, now, while the first video is being generated, let's go ahead and create another video using my very own voice. So I'm going to go into voices. Again, we're going to click on use. Now the setting has been applied. Let's go ahead and create another faceless AI video of, let's say, create a video talking about, let's say, let's go ahead with the let's go with talking about the F1 controversies. Okay, so once we've done this, again, we're going to click on generate a video. And once we've clicked on generate a video, as you can see, it takes you into the analyzing, chooses all the text, chooses all the images. And after it's done processing all of that, it's going to ask you the exact criteria you want to go ahead with. So again, audience, what do you want? Let's go with F1 fans, look and feel. Let's go with dramatic, platform, again, YouTube Shorts, and we click on continue. And as you can see, it starts loading in. Okay, and again, it shouldn't take a lot of time. Like if we go over to this video, I'm sure it's not ready yet. As you can see, it's almost there. It shouldn't take a lot of time to process all the edits. As you can see, it adds its very own media tracks. It even gives your video a proper title that you can use. Okay, and there we go. So our video is good to go. It's done. Let's switch it to 1080p. And once you have switched it to 1080p, you're simply going to click on play. And once you have clicked on play, it's going to show you the great masterpiece that it has generated with your voice. That's the best part about it all.
This is why you need to know
So
the
here we
top
have it.
10 richest footballers of all time. Let's dive in. Number 10.
So you can pretty much see the main idea of it. It's using good photos
Of $100 million. In ninth place, Andres.
and it's using the proper player videos as well, which is pretty cool. Okay, that's the most I can ask for from an AI. Okay, I can simply give it a prompt, and according to that prompt, it's going to give me accurate photos, videos, and narration according to the sport that I've asked it to, pretty much create a video on. And we can also go ahead and click on edit, and you can go ahead and edit individual blocks in this. You can edit the individual videos that are going on, and you can edit their duration and so much more. Okay, that is the best part. Okay, you can always go ahead and edit it in the post with the individual elements that it has been changing. Then again, if we go back over to this video, this is almost ready as well. Okay, the scene is almost done, and there we go. Now, as soon as it is done, you can go ahead and play it. You can also edit, again, each and every one of its individual components if you want to. But here we have it.
You need to watch this if you struggle with keeping up with F1's biggest scandals. Today, we're unlocking the drama behind the scenes. Let's kick things off with the 2008 Crashgate scandal. Renault's
So you can pretty much see how cool the NVIDIA AI software is, okay? And again, if you want to use the software for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below, because that will get you a proper plan on NVIDIA AI where you can use all of its given features. But yeah, that's generally about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.